On July 20th, 1304, the forces of King Edward I of England successfully took Stirling Castle during the First War of Scottish Independence. Although the Scots would ultimately maintain their independence, key to the English victory was the intimidating sounding War Wolf, allegedly the largest trebuchet ever made. This mighty siege engine catapulted rocks or other projectiles that weighed up to 300 pounds and was capable of battering down the walls of any castle. Digging deeper, we find that, intimidated by the weapon, the Scots tried to surrender the castle, but Edward, known as Longshanks, wanted to see the effectiveness of the 300 to 400 foot long artillery piece. Other names given to such machines by astute warriors include Bad Neighbor and God's Stone Thrower. Centuries later, massive artillery cannons were given such monikers as Big Bertha, Atomic Annie, in case you wondered what sort of ammo that cannon used, the Paris gun, Anzio Annie, Dora, Gustav, Little David, and Mallet's mortar. Some of those names are decidedly not intimidating, meaning their users miss the chance to lay a really cool name on them to frighten the foe, although the caliber of up to 36 inches, double the biggest ever battleship guns, probably fulfilled that requirement. Want to scare the enemy with your fighter and bomber airplanes? Do not name them Camel, Buffalo, Mosquito, or Swallow. Give them rough and tumble names such as Thunderjet, Comet, Typhoon, Tornado, Tempest, as the British apparently think bad weather scares the enemy, Devastator, Avenger, Hellcat, Helldiver, Thunderbolt, or Lightning. As we see, weather is indeed scary. Dominator, Flying Fortress, and really scare them with Super Fortress. Stormovic, nicknamed the Flying Tank with more than 36,000 built, the Stormovic was the most produced warplane of all time. Or Sturmvogel, meaning warbird. Sturmvogel is the rougher sounding name of the ground attack version of the Me-262 Schwabel, or Swallow as it is known in English. Even munitions can have nifty, scary names such as Moab, Massive Ordnance Airburst, or, in GI slang, Mother of All Bombs. Hellfire missiles, and small arms ammunition is not immune to gaining fearsome names, as evidenced by Super Explosive, SX pistol ammo, Fireball, Beowulf, Guard Dog, Black Talon, Hydroshock, and the like. When the media wants to demonize a bullet, they give it a nickname such as Cop Killer to scare the public. It works. How about handheld rifles, pistols, and shotguns? Give them an aura of death and destruction by calling them Thunderer, Bulldog, the Judge, Street Sweeper, Honey Badger, it doesn't care, King Cobra, or any other deadly snake. Annihilator, High Power, Scorpion, Grendel, Jaws Viper, Grizzly, Doorbuster, or Jackhammer. Do not call your gun Airweight or Cub. Those names will not scare anyone. As a question for my students and subscribers, please share with us your favorite intimidating names of weapons or ordnance, or do you have a few good ones of your own? Please let us know in the comment section below this video. If you like this video and like to receive notification of new videos, please feel welcome to subscribe to History and Headlines and become one of our patrons. Your viewership is much appreciated.